Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of Secret Niches.
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche, I got this semi-low competition niche but very trendy niche of a Southern, that is the price I used to be in charge. Then I had a Granddaughter. Look at the BSR. BSR is very low and the size are very similar, but they are all same. These are kind of different. You can also change it for daughter. Perhaps you can use son, niece, whatever, you know. But the pending phrase is Granddaughter. Okay, secret niche.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche, I got this semi-low competition niche, but only a certain results, but it's very trendy and hot. That is the phrase America turns 250, I turn 50. Some people may find it risky because 250 years of America, I know it has some trouble when objections, but I think this phrase is less controversial, but you make your own search. If you want to try it, it's very hot and trendy. Look at the SR are very low and the signs are kind of similar. Already can plug text, just text. Okay, you can start using another images, perhaps a 50-year-old man or woman, whatever. This is kind of different. Okay, you know the game. Secret niches.
Secret niche number 3.
For the third niche, I got this low competition niche of 397 results that I think is lower. That is this stick diving into the barbecue fire. This is a variation of the hot dog that was trending a couple days ago, but this is more related to barbecue season until 4th of July, summer, everything in the United States. Look at the stick jumping, it's very funny. This design is kind of trendy. If you want to scale it up, you can use another kind of food. I don't know, Mexican food, sushi, seafood. Perhaps you can investigate there. But I think this trend's gonna explode now for the summer season. Okay, look at the SR is low. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 4.
For the fourth niche, I got this semi-low competition niche of 662 results. A very hot trending topic of the summer season, that is hot dogs. But the price is different. It says bad day to be a Glizzy. Okay? In this exact Glizzy term or keyword, results are very low and DSRs are very good. Okay? Look at the DSRs are very good. And they were all submitted, uploaded like a month ago. The size, you can play with the American flag, the hot dog. Okay? Look at the DSR are very good. You know the game. Secret niches.
Secret niche number 5.
And for the fifth niche, the last niche of the day, I got this low competition niche of 178 results. And the price is Preosaurus. It's like, and I think it's a mix of pregnant and saurus for new mothers and moms. And the SR is pretty good. Look at this. Preosaurus, and this is a good evergreen and sell all year long. It's another one, Preosaurus Rex, Preosaurus, and they are all selling. And the date, look at the dates, are all uploaded recently. Okay, you know the game. Use your weapons and start earning money. Secret niche.